Miss Pickles Gaming.
Don't touch that dial.
Alive! It's alive! It's alive! Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
School's out. Joining us today live on set, a special guest.
No. Bowser brought it back up. Yeah. Bowser. Throw that out there for Grizzly. Slippery.
Tune in tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Miss Pickles. I want to thank you for watching this video. On the upcoming end screen, we have provided links to the next video in the series and one other that might interest you. Also, you can tap on my image in the upper left-hand corner to subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to me if you did. Also, by subscribing, now you won't have to deal with the little guy at the end. Thanks again.
Listen carefully, cause I'm only gonna play this once.
The station the hottest girls listen to.
It'll knock your socks off.
Hey, where are you going? You watched the video and obviously enjoyed it, so you need to go back and click the subscribe button. I mean, come on now. You were raised better than this. I mean, it doesn't cost anything. You know, why wouldn't you?